So hi, hello. Today I'm going to show you how the Facebook group poster works. So basically, if you get the software from autopostingtools.com, you should get something like this when you log in. And on the top part, you should see all the different menus for the programs that we have. So today we will go to the Facebook modules, which will be these ones, and we will go to the Facebook group commenter. So this basically posts on Facebook groups, and this is how it works. So the first thing will be, so you type in your username and your password for Facebook. You could go to facebook.com as well, and then this will open and you will see if you have to log in or not. I'm already logged in, so I'm not going to like log in again, but if you're not logged in, you can log in from there or click this button, go to the web browser and log in there, whatever is easier for you. So the next part would be to visit your group's page, which will be click on that button. So you will go, and these are the groups that you belong to. In this case, you could just click this button that says scroll to bottom. So this will you keep clicking that until you get all your groups. And once you get enough groups, you can come back here and you can put the button get groups. This will load all the groups that are on the list, and then you can start posting on these groups. On this one, I have 123, so it's 123 groups that I could post to. Now, sometimes you have your groups and you don't like some of them, so you could delete them, just like that. And sometimes you want to load, once you finish this, you could save the file. You choose the folder where you want to save it, then you type in the name and you save the file to Excel. If you do that, you could go here on load groups, import Excel file, and then Facebook groups. You select your file and then you click open. So this will load the files on this thing, and you can click use these ads or these groups. So you click on that, and that is going to basically load the information. So now that you have the information of the groups, you could remove the ones that you don't want, same thing, and you save it. Now, the groups that you should be saving should be based on a niche that you want to promote. Don't promote everything to everybody, because some of them won't be like accepting your request. So, for example, if I'm promoting a product that I want to sell, like if I post on this one, they wouldn't accept my post because this is related to groups about training and so on. So I will delete that one. Like selling houses. I don't sell a house here, but I could leave it there because it's like very open there and so on. So some of them maybe you have a relationship with those groups and you don't want to post to those. So go through the list, delete the ones that you don't want to post on, save the list, and then load the list whenever you want to start posting on those. Now, this is how that part works. If you want to see the group itself, you could just click on, let's say on this one, then click on visit selected group, and then click on the group again. That is going to go and visit the group, and then it's going to show up. So you could do this for the groups and check the ones that you want to be posting on, and basically they will show up there. And sometimes some groups, let's say they don't have the option to be able to comment or to sell something. So when you come back here, you can turn this off, and then you can delete that group, because if they don't let you comment on the group, then there is no point on having this, because this is going to be for commenting on the groups. Anyway, I have enough groups to comment. I'm going to do some comments here, but basically I load my groups. But at first I log in, I load my groups. Once I have my groups, I save them so I could post to them again in the future. Then I go to the comment section. Now to add a comment, you click on the button new post, and then you put your title. This is just so you know what is this post about. You fill out your comment, and you fill out the image URL, you could type in the like a keyword, and you can search images on Google. So that way you will find like products faster. So for example, if I wanted to find something like for an iPhone X, I click on the button search, and this will go and look for iPhone X images. So I could just select this one, right click, copy image location, and this will be the image that will be used to post on my group. So I could do something like that, and then you could put the content. It supports spin content. So for example, if you have like this mega spinner, so you have something like hello, hi, hey there. Um, so you could generate that, copy that, and then you could generate something like my name is, um, I am, and you could generate multiple variations of that, copy that, paste it there, and then you could put your name, Juan Jose, Juan Jose, generate that, copy that, paste it there. So basically this is going to be creating multiple variations of your content. So when you are making multiple posts, then they will be always different. So I could just copy this one. Imagine that this is my content. I paste it there, and this and you could call this introduction, and then you just add it the post. So here is the post, and basically when you select it, it show up here, and you could just modify it. Now this is for the post that it's only for write a post or start a discussion. So basically it's just the comment and the image URL if you want to put an image URL. If you don't want an image, what you do is when you create the post, you just fill out the content, don't put any image, and if the image is empty, then it's not going to be posting it into the web browser. Now, here, once you create all your ads, you can select a folder where you want to save it. You can type the name, and then you can save the file. I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to load one test that I was doing before. So I'm just going to look for my file. It's called write post. Uh, this is a start discussion post. That's my test, and use these ads. So this was for a testing, and I could just copy this because this one doesn't have a nice image. So I want to post an image on the test, and I paste it there. And then again, I could save this, so next time it's going to have my image. Now, I also have some posts for selling something, and when selling something, the difference is that you will have a title for your product, you will have a price, and you will have the location. In this case, we have only a few locations, so if your location is not here, you can go to Facebook, to a Facebook group where you can post and grab the location from there. It has to match exactly. So when you paste it into Facebook, it's going to keep it on the memory. So just copy that and paste it there every single time. Same thing, you fill out your ad and you fill out your image URL. So I'm going to load some ads here. So import from Excel, ads from sell something. So sell something post, this is my ads. So I save that, and now I have the ads. Now same thing, I'm going to copy the image, and I'm going to replace it from there. This is so the test that I'm going to be doing with you guys is going to actually show you an image when you are posting. So now to post on Facebook groups, you log in, you load your groups, you come here, you load the start a discussion post. In this case, if you want to only post that kind of post, you leave it as it is, and only this kind of post will be chosen. Now, some groups have the option to sell something, and you have the option as well to start a discussion. So it just depends on what you want to do. But let's say if you wanted to sell something on those posts, you could select this, prioritize sell something. So if it's a group where it can sell something, it's going to try and find one random ad from this list instead of this list. And if it only can post one ad, or it doesn't support the sell something button, then it's going to pick up one from the top randomly. So that's the difference between the only start discussion, only post start discussion, and prioritize sell something. So same thing, when you create your ads, you could save them, you can delete the selected ad, you can clear it, same thing on the top, and you can load the post from Excel. So if you have a list already with, let's say, 10, 20 different posts, you could load it, and then every time it makes a post, it's going to go and look one ad randomly. That way you always post something different, and because it supports spin text, then it's also going to change the content when you go and post on Facebook. Now, when you go and post onto Facebook, remember that they are going to stop or they will block you, so use a fake account. And the second thing is, when you post to all the groups, whenever you see that you cannot post anymore, or that you want to stop posting, click this button that says stop posting. That way you don't continue posting on the groups, because the software is going to try to post to the 127 groups, and probably that is too much for this. So just go post maybe like 10, 20, 50, and then you come here, you stop the program, and once you stop the program, come back here, save the Facebook groups, again with a new name, remaining to post, and then you can change your account, you can change your proxy, and also you can clear your cookies. So first clear your cookies, then change your proxy, then log in again. And once you log in again, you can go and continue posting on the other groups, if you are if in the two accounts you belong to the same groups, or get the new groups from other account, and continue posting the same ads for that account. So this is so you could continue posting even more. Now, I want to show you how this will work. So I'm going to click post all the groups, and I'm going to post two ads only. So that means that the first group is going to be chosen, and the second group is going to be chosen to be posted on that. Then I'm going to stop it, because this is just a sample, and these are fake comments. So there's no point of me of posting more than two, unless I had the real thing. So if I do the real thing, maybe I'm going to be doing another video, but for now, this is just so you understand how this works. So I'm just going to run it now. So I click on post to all groups, and now it's going to get, and it's going to select, and on the log bottom on the section, it's going to select Montreal. It's going to go to the group URL, and then it's going to check if it's a group cell or if it's a discussion group. So it's going to check based on if the button sell something exists. So this is a group type, sell something. So it's going to go and click sell something, and it's going to paste the content there. So it's going to go post the title, it's going to post the price, it's going to post the city. So this is the city that I chose. So that's why it has to match. It's going to put my description. I put very small description on my thing. It's going to click upload image, and then it's going to download the image, and then re-upload it with a different name every time. So Facebook doesn't track us that way. And then it's going to send an enter, so the image gets uploaded, and that's the image that got uploaded. Then it's going to click next, and then it's going to click post. And this is going to be posting my ad into the first group. So that's the image. So in this case, it's going to go and try to do the second post for me. So this is the second group. This is our write post only. So it's going to choose one of the write post only instead of the for sale or sell something. Um, so option chosen, prioritize sell something, but the kind of group. Oh, actually, it had an option to sell something. Okay, well, it's going to try to sell something. It's going to paste the content. It's going to load the image and so on. So if we had chosen the option to write post, it will only choose ads from the write post section instead of the sell something section. So now it's downloading and uploading my picture. It's going to click next and it's going to publish. So it's going to click next and it's going to publish. And there you go, guys. So basically the process will be as follow. It will continue and it will post to all these groups. So right now I just stop it because I don't want to post this because it's fake. But this is how it works. And you could do this to post on many groups. And because you have the option to be um, changing the content of the group and changing the information, then then you are able to post many ads. So now I'm going to delete this one as well because this one was also fake. But that's how you do it, and that's the new Facebook group commenter. Now it supports images, it supports spin text, it supports sell something post instead of only write a post and discussion. And basically you could put the price of your products, the title, and it will try to post for you. Also, you can load the files from Excel. So once you have them done, you could post on multiple groups with these with the same ads, and they will always be different because you have a spin text. So you shouldn't get blocked that fast. So you will only get blocked if you post like in too many ads in a very small amount of time. Now, if you wanted to increase a little bit the time between the posting between the groups, the every post is every 90 seconds. So if you wanted to increase that, you could put if you want to increase 1 minute, add 60 seconds to this, and you will have 150 seconds. If you wanted to add 10 minutes, add 600 seconds, and basically that's how it works. And you can post on all the groups that you have here with the different ads that you create. So thank you for watching. Also, one last thing, you could just click this button and you will see like the log of the posting process. So for example, it's going to load the groups, it's going to select that specific group, it's going to navigate, it's going to check what type of group it is, and then it's going to like try to post on there. It's going to try to click sell something, and then it's going to renew the timer. And basically that's how it works. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. I hope you like it, and I hope you get the software. You could get it on autopostingtools.com. Thank you. Bye bye.